Apple gets into Metamask, Lionel Messi kicks up with Chiliz, and whales are accumulating in a big way. My name is Ben. This is your Crypto Nightly News Wrap-Up. Let's get it. If you've been following the charts closely, you probably noticed that Chiliz has gained some serious momentum, running up 47% in the past week and 83% in the past month. The self-proclaimed world's leading blockchain fintech provider for sports and entertainment is true to their title by securing partnerships with the UFC, select NFL and MLB players, New England Patriots, and an array of professional soccer teams. Chiliz is the blockchain network behind Socios.com, a place where sports fans can win prizes, earn rewards, vote on team decisions, and win once-in-a-lifetime experiences through their fan tokens. Similar to the Tom Brady moment with FTX, the recent Chiliz pump is a direct result of Socios.com landing a 3-year, $20 million deal with soccer superstar Lionel Messi. CryptoBriefing.com reports that Messi is now Socios' global ambassador and that the Argentine athlete will play a key role in publicity and promotion campaigns that Socios.com is creating ahead of the Qatar World Cup 2022, which starts in November. Keep an eye on Chiliz as we continue to see it move up on the charts. It likes to hover around the 50-cent area. Its all-time high is 85 cents. Currently, it's just above 30 cents. It's a bullish time for NFTs, even though the market for NFTs is down in the dumps. Thankfully, Apple can see that NFTs are a blue ocean of opportunity and have thrown their support behind the biggest tech company in blockchain, Consensus. Starting with iPhone users, Metamask is adding integration with Apple Pay starting today with Metamask Update 4.3.1. This is the lowest friction method for purchasing NFTs. It will undoubtedly make Ethereum gas fees go crazy once people figure out they can buy a Bored Ape right from their iPhone. Metamask is using payments rail Wire and Transact to support debit and credit cards. And while the transfer is using Wire limited to $400 of ETH a day, and Transact is limited to $15,000 a day. Make sure to be aware this is a full KYC deal, so buyer beware. This could very well lead to OpenSea or Consensus itself getting purchased by Apple. Remember that Apple is sitting on a war chest of over $200 billion in cash that could easily purchase both companies without breaking a sweat. All right, let's get a quick look at the markets from Frankie Candles.
Thank you, Ben. All right, guys, let's take a look at the markets here. We got Bitcoin coming in at $47,062, down about 0.8% on the day. Ethereum coming in at $33.85, down about 0.48% on the day. Let's go ahead and check our top movers. Zilliqa up 73% on the day and up 267% on the week. Unbelievable moves for Zilliqa. GMT up 18% for the day and 157% on the week. Not looking too bad for some of these alts. And VeChain up 16% and 50% for the week. Looking pretty good. Guys, like I said yesterday, I am expecting a little pullback in the near future, right? We have a red dot on the momentum waves on the daily time frame for Bitcoin, as well as the VWAP coming down. So expect a little bit of a pullback. But if you guys want to follow me, it's Frankie Candles on YouTube and Frankie_Candles on all socials. Back to the news.
Thanks, Frank. It always does good when I hear these words. Whales are accumulating. It's a very bullish signal to average retail investors because if some of the richest people in the world are pumping hundreds of millions of dollars into crypto, they don't exactly plan on the prices going down. We also like to tell our viewership to swim with the whales because a lot of the time when one whale makes a splash, the rest of the pod is likely to follow. Do Kwon, founder of Terra Luna, has been accumulating massive amounts of Bitcoin, and this tweet illustrates that Luna the Duck was tasked by the boss to take almost $140 million to Binance for the next round of Bitcoin acquisitions. At least Luna the Duck has manners. In the tweet, the duck mentions, "One thing I have learned today is the nice lady on the desk at Binance doesn't appreciate when you turn up with millions of dollars in physical cash." Hilarious. DuckTales. Luna the Duck is probably going to be a very busy duck for the foreseeable future, since TrustNodes.com reports Terra's Luna might never be quite done, as they're planning to continuously turn some of their signage into Bitcoin with an initial target of $10 billion after the currently ongoing bootstrapping of $3 billion, of which is about $1.5 billion still left to buy. Its latest purchase brings the Luna owners total to 30,727 BTC, worth $1.4 billion. That's all I got. Be blessed. Boy out.